Come, Jason, let me introduce you to my friends.
Sure, Mom. I will join you in a while. Let me meet Uncle Danny first.
Leah is looking beautiful. Do you think Jason will choose Leah over Zoe?
Shut up. Don't talk nonsense. Serve drinks to guests. And I don't see you anywhere near Jason today.
Finally, you spare some time to meet us. Good to see you here, Danny.
Ha ha ha. Well, now I'm here. Gary recently came back from abroad. I brought him here too.
I have never seen such beauty in my entire life.
Excuse me?
Hey Leah, how are you? Meet my son Gary.
I'm doing great. Nice to meet you, Gary.
How's your father doing? Have you met him?
No, I haven't seen him in the past few years.
He did very wrong to your uncle. Your uncle is a good person that, despite all the things your father has done to him, he is still taking care of you.
Yes, Uncle is always good to me.
Hey, Leah. What are you doing here? Come, let me introduce you to everyone.
Hey, I'm Gary. You must be Jason.
Yeah, Uncle Danny told me about you.
I should have come to meet you first, but your friend caught my attention. She's so beautiful.
Let me see if anyone needs anything.
What were you talking about with Jason?
He was just saying he wanted to introduce me to everyone.
And who is that boy?
He is Uncle Danny's son.
If I catch you anywhere near my son today, you'll regret it. I'll tell him exactly what your father did to my husband. Where's Sandy? She's not coming?
Calm down. She'll come. You know her. Oh, there she is.
I told you to come on time. Jason, meet my friend Sandy. You must remember her daughter Zoe from back when you were kids.
Come on, Mom. I know Zoe. But I don't see her with you. Is she not coming to the party?
She's out of town because of a group project.
But Mom told me she left studies.
She'll meet you soon.
Jason will definitely love her. I can't wait to see them engaged.
Mom, please, let me meet her first.
Let me meet your father.
Jason, you'll love to meet her. She's quite an intellectual and beautiful girl.
I hope so.
What is this behavior, Zoe? I told you to be there at the party. Where are you?
Mom, I'm with friends on the beach, and I prefer you not to bother me over some boring party. I don't like that friend of yours anyways.
His father is a business tycoon, and Jason is going to handle the business after him. We're going to be billionaires.
Mom, please let me enjoy it for now. Bye!
Jason, come join us. I want to introduce you to my business friends. After all, you're going to take care of this business.
Dad, let me enjoy today.
He's right, my friend. Let him enjoy his day.
All right, whatever you say.
Aunt Sandy, if you need anything, please let me know. Can I get you something to drink?
Oh, please don't act innocent. Your father was a culprit, and so are you. Get out of my sight.
I didn't mean that.
Hey, Leah, if you're free, can we talk?
Sure.
So, will I see you again?
Of course. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
The day was tiring, but it went well. I enjoyed it a lot.
You're right, Jason. I miss Zoe. She would have loved the party if she had come.
I'll meet her when she comes.
Leah, make black coffee for me.
Make it for me, and for yourself too. I'll be in the garden. Come sit with me and let's talk for a bit.
Talk? Talk about what? Leah, clean the kitchen and go to your room. You have to wake up early tomorrow.
Then I'm going to my room. Don't make coffee for me.
Leah, could you bring me a coffee to my room? Also, I'll be leaving early tomorrow, so please make breakfast for me in the morning.
Why will you leave early?
I have a meeting tomorrow. I need to take care of things until Jason takes over.
What's going on, Sandy? Why didn't Zoe come to the party? I saw her yesterday with some guy.
Oh, don't worry. He's just a friend.
Well, it looked like he was more than a friend. I'm telling you, Sandy, if Zoe doesn't get serious about Jason, you're gonna lose this chance.
Mom, I'm taking Leah out for dinner.
Why? Didn't she have dinner? And if you're free, why don't you visit your father at the office?
Mom, I made plans with Leah. I'll go to the office later. Don't wait for me for dinner, Mom. Bye. Leah, you're an amazing girl. I don't understand why Mom doesn't like you. She's always rude to you.
No, she's a very kind person. I don't feel that way.
I've seen the way she treats you, and it really bothers me. I don't like the way she treats you. Leah, can we be friends?
We're already friends, Jason.
I've been meaning to tell you this for a while. I really like you, and not just as a friend. Would you want to be my girlfriend?
We don't know each other much. And what about Auntie?
Take your time, Leah. I'm in no rush. Let's order dinner.